Hi everyone, let's start with the second main. That first question is, see here it is 1 is having power 8. Now if you are multiplying 1 8 times, still you will get answer 1 only. Okay, now here it is the multiplication. Now if any number is having power 0, the answer will be 1. We know that. Now 5 we have to multiply 3 times. 5 5 is 25 and 25 5 is we will get that is 125. Now here 2 2 is 4. Now 1 after multiplying all these numbers, we will get that is 500. Question number second. Okay, now for this we will apply the powers law. In the powers law, what we will do, we will multiply the powers. Okay, now for that 7 2 is 14 into here 4 as it is minus 3 into 4 I'll get minus 12. Now both bases are same, no? So for this we will apply the product law when we are having in between both numbers multiplication sign. So in that product law, what it says, we have to add the law, we have to add the powers. So 14 plus, and here it is having a minus 12. Okay, further 14 as it is plus minus 12. Okay, now 14 minus 12 I'll get 2, and when I'll multiply 4 2 times I'll get 16. Okay, now question number 3. See, in this question both numbers having the negative power, so let's make it a positive. For that 1 by 2 raised to the power 9, division sign it will remain as it is. Okay, now here 2 raised to the power plus 11. Now we are having one bracket, right? And raised to the power now 3. Now we need to, to further simplify, now we need to convert this division sign to multiplication sign, right? Okay, now at the left side it will be as it is, but when I'll do the change from division to multiplication, again the reciprocal happens here, right? Now 2 goes to the numerator. Now this time it is not going to change its sign whenever we will change the signs here. Now 3 raised to the power as it is. Now what I'll do, 1 into 2 raised to the power 11, that is 2 by raised to the power 11, and at the denominator 2's power 9. Okay, now both bases are same, so which laws we can apply? We can apply the quotient law. In that 2 raised to the power 11 as it is into division, changing from division to multiplication. Now 2 goes to the numerator and the sign it will change, plus 9 to minus 9. Okay, now we can apply the product law, right? Now 11 plus minus 9, now power 3 again. Now 11 minus 9, how much I'll get? I'll get 2. Now 3. Now see here again which we can apply? We can apply the powers law, right? So 2 3s are 6. Now 2 we have to multiply 6 times. So after multiplying 6 times I'll get 64. Now question number 4. See here both powers having the negative signs. Now again we will do the reciprocal of this. So for this I'll get 3 by 2 raised to the power now minus 4 to become a plus 4. Now multiplication sign as it is. Now after doing the reciprocal of this, I'll get 8 by 27 raised to the power plus 2. Okay, now 3 by 2 raised to the power 4 is nothing but we have to write 4 times, or we have to do multiplication 4 times. But here is the chances of doing the cancellation. Okay, that's why I'm writing both numbers. How many powers are there? No, that time I'm just writing. So 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. Okay, now here is the multiplication. Now 8 by 27 we have to write only 2 times. Now see here we can do the cancellation, right? 2 1s are 2 4s 8, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. Now 2 1s are 2 1s are, now 2 1s are 2 4s 8. Okay, now see here 3 1s are 3 9s are 27, 3 1s are 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3 3s are 3 1s are 3. Now 3 1s are 3 9s are 27. So what left now? Only we left with only 4 by 9. Okay. Now question number 5. See, we know that if the power is 0, the answer will be 1. Okay. Now here it is the multiplication sign. Now let me convert to the, here it is the division sign. Now let me convert to the multiplication. So we have to do here reciprocal, right? So when I'll do the reciprocal of this, I'll get like a 5 by 2 raised to the power 3. Okay, now 5 by 2 we can write 3 times, right? Okay, I'm just writing 5 by 2 into 5 by 2 into 5 by 2. Okay, now here we are having 16 by 25. So we can do the cancellation now, right? See, 5 1s are 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5 1s are 5. Now 2 1s are 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. So what left in the numerator? 1 5 and 2. So after multiplication I'll get 10. Nothing it is in the denominator. So for this answer we found that is 10. Now question number 6. As you can see here, having the negative power, so let's make it a positive. For that we have to do the reciprocal of that. So I'll get 1 by 12 raised to the power now plus 2 into 3 raised to the power 3. Okay, now okay, so what I'll do, 1 by 12 into 1 by 12 we can write, because power is 2 times. Here 3 I'm writing 3 times. Okay, 3 ones are 3 fours are 12. Now 3 ones are 3 fours are 12. So what left in the numerator? Okay, 3 only, and here 4 fours are 16. So for this we found the answer, that is 3 by 16. Now we have question number 7. Both bases are same now, so we can add the powers. So 4 plus 6 I'll get 10, and here it is division sign. Let me convert to the multiplication. So when I'll convert the reciprocal, we have to do here. So for that I'll get 1 by minus 5 raised to the power 9. Now here both bases are same now, so we can apply the quotient law. So in that, what I'll do, I'll shift minus 5 by 9 to in the numerator. So when I'll shift, I'll get minus 5 raised to the power minus 9. Now see here both bases are same. Again we can add the powers. So 10 plus minus minus 9. Okay, now minus 5, 10 minus 9, I'll get 1. So for this answer we found that is only minus 5. Okay, now we have question number 8, right? Now see here, here it is the division sign and here it is the multiplication sign. So let me convert this division to multiplication. Now for that, minus 1 by 3 raised to the power, let me write as it is. Now division to multiplication, so reciprocal happens. So for this I'll get minus 3 by 1 raised to the power 8 into minus 1 by 3 raised to the power 5. Okay, now see here, what I'll do, I'll shift 3 to the numerator. Okay, and before that this 4 will applicable for both the numerator and denominator. It means here it is having minus 1 raised to the power 4 by 3 raised to the power 4. Okay, so when I'll shift 3 raised to the power 4 to the numerator, it will become minus 3 raised to the power minus 4. Okay, why? Because minus which is there already. Okay, so only the 3 raised to the power, when it will goes to the numerator, it's become a 3 raised to the power minus 4, and if you are multiplying that number with 1, you'll get the answer same only. Okay, okay, now see here, let it be as it is, that is minus 3 raised to the power 8. I'm just not writing the 1 here. Okay, and now see here, in this case I'm again shifting this t to the numerator. So when I'll shift, it will become 3 raised to the power minus 5. Why? This 5 it will applicable for the both numbers. Okay, now as you can see here, all the 3 bases are same, so we can apply the products to add all the powers, right? Now minus 4 plus 8 plus, and in the bracket let me write minus 5. I'm just adding extra step here. So now minus 4 plus 8 plus minus minus 5. Okay, now see here, minus 3, let me write as it is. So first we will simplify this side. Minus 4 plus 8, I'll get 4, and here it is the negative sign, that is minus 5, sorry, minus 5t. Now 4 minus 5, I'll get minus 1. Okay, now see here, this minus, now here again power is having the negative sign. Now we have to make it a positive. For that we have to do reciprocal of that. Minus, it will remain as it is. Now 3, when it will goes to the denominator, it will become 3 raised to the power plus 1. And I'm just not writing plus 1 over here. Okay, so for this answer we found that is minus 1 by 3. Now question number 9. See this power, this answer we will get 1. Okay, now see here, negative power, let's do the reciprocal. So for that I'll get 1 by 4 raised to the power plus 1. Okay, now see here, we are having division and here is the negative sign, so we can't do at a time multiply and 1 by 2 raised to the power 4. We can't do at a time this. So what we have to do, first we have to do the reciprocal of this, like we will get 1 by 2 raised to the power plus 4. Okay, now 1 into 1, 1 by 4. Now this we will convert to the now multiplication. Now for this 2 raised to the power goes to the now numerator. Okay, by 1. Okay, see here, now 1 by 4 and 2 raised to the 4 we can write 4 times, right? Now 2 ones are 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2 ones are, so what left? 2 twos are 4 left. So for this we found the answer, that is 4. Now question number 10. See here the power which is in the fraction, right? So to make it a normal or a whole number or a natural number, we need to cancel the denominator, and 625 we can write in the like a base and power, no? So for that let me find out it by the short division method. See, 5 ones are 5, left 1, 5 twos are 10, left 2, 5 5s are 25. further 5 2 is a 10, left to 2, 5 5 is a 25. Now 5 5 is a 25 and here 5 1 is a 5. So 625 we can write 5 raised to the power 4 because we found 5 4 times 1 2 3 4. Now see here minus 3 by 4. Now we can apply the laws, powers law. So for that 5 raised to the power, so here I'll get 4 into minus 3 by 4. Okay, now 4 get cancelled, so what left? 5 raised to the power minus 3. Now let's make it positive. For that I'll get 1 by 5 raised to the power 3. Now it is nothing but I'm going to get 1 by 125. Okay, why? Because after multiplying 5 3 times. Okay, now next question. See here, again we need to cancel the denominator of this power, right? So 27 we can write 3 raised to the power 3. Okay, now 64 I can write 2 raised to the power 6, or we can write 4 raised to the power 3. Okay, but which one I'm going to choose? I'm going to choose this one. Why? Because we will get the both powers same. Okay, so 4 raised to the power 3. Now bracket complete and raised to the power minus 2 by 3. Now what I'll do, I'll shift 4 raised to the power 3 to the numerator. No, instead of that what I'll do, I'll take both the powers are same. No, we'll take a common, so it will become 3 by 4. I'm taking common. No, 3 come outside. Now this into minus 2 by 3. Yes, now 3 get cancelled, so what left? 3 by 4 raised to the power minus 2. And what if I return 2 raised to the power 6? That time I cannot take a 3 as a common, and if I didn't take the 3 as a common, I'm unable to cancel this, right? Now we found 3 by 4 raised to the power minus 2. Now I'll do the reciprocal of this. After reciprocal I'll get 4 by 3 raised to the power plus 2. Now I'll multiply 4 2 times. 4 4 is 16 and 3 3 is 9. Now this is, we got improper. No, now let's we can convert to the mixed form. For that we need to divide 16 by 9. 9 1 is 9. Okay, 16 minus 9, how much I'll get? I'll get 7. Okay, so this I can write 1 7 by 9. 9 1 is 9 plus 7, that is 16. That is 16 by 9. Now this question is similar to the last one. Okay, see here 132 I can write 2 raised to the power 5. Okay, now raised to the power minus 2 by 5. Nothing, if it is written 5, that is also no problem. If you not written, that is also fine, because 1, if you multiply number times, the answer it is remain going to same. Now 5 I'll take common, so it will become 1 by 2 raised to the power 5, and this into minus 2 by 5. Now see here 5 get cancelled, so what left? 1 by 2 raised to the power minus 2. Now to make it positive, do the reciprocal, so I'll get 2 raised to the power 2. Now 2 2 is a 4. Okay, now next question, question number 13. See here 125 I can write 5 raised to the power 3. Okay, this you can find it from the short division method. Okay, now into minus 2 by 3. Now here is the division sign, and it also I can write 2 raised to the power 3. Okay, into 2 by 3. Okay, now see here I can apply the now powers law, right? So now for that we need to multiply the powers. So 3 into minus 2 by 3, here division sign, 2 raised to the power 3 into 2 by 3. Okay, now 3 get cancelled, so what left here? 5 raised to the power minus 2, division sign, here 3 get cancels, 2 raised to the power 2 I found. Now here I'll do the reciprocal of this, right? So I'll get 1 by 5 raised to the power plus 2. Now convert this division to multiplication, so reciprocal also we have to do. So 1 raised to the power 2, 1 by 2 raised to the power 2. Now here 5 5 is a 25, and here 1 by 2 2 is a 4. After multiplication I'll get 25 4 is a 100. So for this answer we found 1 by 100. Now next question, this question also which is similar to the last questions. Now see here 243 I can write 3 raised to the power 5, bracket complete, 2 by 5. Now division, now 32 I can write 2 raised to the power 5, bracket complete, and raised to the power 2 by 5. Now see here this 5 get cancelled, so what left? 3 raised to the power 2. So when I'll multiply 3 double time, I'll get 3 3 is a 9. Okay, now similarly this side, now 5 get cancelled, so what left? 2 raised to the power minus 2. So 2 raised to the power minus 2 left. No, this we have to do reciprocal, so for that I'll get 2 raised to the power 2. Okay, now in the next step 9. Now let me convert division to multiplication. Again it comes up. Now that is 2 2 is a 4. Okay, 9 4 is a 36 I'll get. Okay, now next question, see here minus 3 and raised to the power 4. Okay, the power which is even, so answer we will get positive. Okay, 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27, 27 3 is the, we will get 81. And if it is odd, if the power is odd, then the answer will be having a negative sign, and if it is even, the answer obviously we will get positive. Now this is minus sign. Okay, now here anything number power will be 1, no doubt, into, now as you can see here, this power is negative, so answer it will be having obviously negative sign. Now 2 we have to multiply 5 times. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. I'll get 32, that is minus 32. Now division sign, let me write as it is. As you can see here, the power which is in the form of fraction. Now 64 we need to write in the form of base plus power, but power we must get a 3, so power and this denominator we can cancel. So for this I'll get 4 raised to the power 3 and it's raised to the power 3. Okay, now see here 81, let me write as it is, minus 1 into minus 32. Now this 3 3 get cancels and 4 4 is 16. Now let me convert division to multiplication, so the now 16 comes in the denominator. Okay, 16 1 is 16, 16 2 is 32. Now 81 minus minus plus 1 into 2, that is 2. 81 plus 3 is 83. Okay, now last question from the second main. See here 27 we can write 3 raised to the power, right? 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27, and this power 2 by 3. I'm just skipping the steps now. Now division sign, let me write as it is. And for 81 we need a power like a 4. Why? Because we can cancel, right? So for 81 we will get 3 raised to the power 4, and for 16 I'll get 2 raised to the power 4. Okay, I'm just writing over here 3 raised to the power 4, and at the denominator I'll get 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, like that is 2 raised to the power 4. Now when the both powers are same, so we can take the common, right? So I'm just taking and writing here. Now into minus 1 by 4. Now this 3 3 gets cancels, 3 3 is a 9. Let me write division sign as it is, and here what left now? This 4 4 get cancels, 3 by 2, and here it is the most negative sign power. Now first step is we are having the power is negative sign. Now let me do the reciprocal, so I'll get 2 by 3. Okay, now we need to convert division to multiplication. Again the reciprocal happens, that I'll get 3 by 2. Now 9 3 is a 27, 27 by I'll get 2. Now this is improper. Now let me write in the mixed form, we can write. Now 27 by 2, 2 1s are 2, 0. Now 7 comes down, 2 3s are 6, so what left remainder? We left with a 1. Okay, now see here how we can write. This quotient comes in the whole number place, and 1 goes to the numerator, and 2 comes in the denominator place. We see here 2 13s are 26, 26 plus 1 is 27, that is 27 by 2. So hence here second main has finished. In the next video I am going to start with the third main. Okay, thank you so much.